Here we are at Kenilworth, located approximately 50 kilometres west of the Sunshine Coast in the Murray Valley region. Keep watching to check out what we get up to here. If you love your cheese, you can't go past the Kenilworth Dairy. This joint's been making cheese and supplying our region for more than 60 years. Be sure to stop in at the Kenilworth Bakery. Not only do they have some of the best donuts around, but they've also got the 1 kilo donut challenge.
Approximately 30 minutes southwest of Kenilworth is Booloumba Creek, with quite a few different day use areas. Today we took a drive to day use area 2 for a picnic and a swim.
Make space, push and shove it. I make my way through all of it. All that time we spend it, searching for a sign if you're giving it. I've been onto something ever since my mind went underground. You know, I know. Now we're making moves on that love is due. Love is due. Now we're making moves on that love is due. Love is due. Love is due.
If you like walking tracks and want to go for a bit of a stroll, hit up the Great Walk Conondale Range, totaling 56 kilometres.
Love is due. Now we're making moves on it. Love is due. Love is due. Love is due.